G'day everybody, it's Matt here, and today I have got the Elegoo liquid silicone case for the iPhone 12 mini, which is a premium silicone full body protection case that's meant to provide 3 layers of shock proofing. The box itself, pretty small, mostly promoting their achievements, 9+ design awards, 100+ design patents, etc. So let's whip this one out and have a close look at it. It is meant to be made from a combination of liquid silicone, hard PC and soft microfiber lining to prevent scratches and of course provide shockproof protection. That's it. Just got that little emphasis there that this is for the iPhone 12 mini from Elegoo, and then there's a couple of stickers on here on the back of this little card. So that's kind of nice. So on the inside of the case, it's just saying here, silicone case for the 5.4 inch or 13.716 centimeter iPhone 12 mini, designed by Elegoo in California, made in China. And then of course we've got a barcode. At first glance, it's fairly firm, like it doesn't twist a ton, but it does have a decent amount of flex to it as well. Particularly in this side section under the buttons where we don't have the extra coating, where it's just that soft touch silicone. That's got a lot more flex to it. But on the inside here, you can kind of see it. We've got this soft microfiber lining that was meant to prevent scratches and also help with the shock proofing. That feels really nice. And like it's going to provide a lot of protection for the phone. And underneath that is where the hard PC or polycarbonate layer is meant to be, and so that's what gives it most of the rigidness, and that makes the sides quite firm as well. And then of course on the outside, this silky smooth silicone that Elegoo calls their liquid silicone, which it does feel really nice. It feels like there's lots of grip there. So if we have a look elsewhere, we've got 2 buttons which are fully molded in the silicone for our volume control. We also have a notch there cut out for our silent switch. On the other side we have a fully molded silicone button there. On the underside we have our lightning port as well as speaker and microphone hole cutouts, and then of course our camera cutout. This camera cutout does have a raised lip on it, so it comes out just ever so slightly. It's probably only 1 millimeter, if that, which should provide just a little bit more protection for the camera. So let's put an iPhone 12 mini in this case. It feels like it's slotting in really nicely. It was super easy to put in and feels like it's locked in sturdily. It doesn't feel like it's going to fall out or anything like that. It doesn't feel loose, although I must admit that softer section around the buttons does feel a little bit on the looser side, but it's not too bad. Buttons feel just a little bit sluggish to respond, but I think it's just because of the way that silicone squishes. It makes it feel like there's just a little tiny bit of a squishiness in the buttons themselves, but they certainly respond and work perfectly fine. That silent switch, for me with my fingers, I find it a little bit small and a little bit awkward to get into, but it's certainly manageable. It's not like I couldn't use it. I mean, to be fair, I leave my phone on silent pretty much all the time anyway, so it's not like that's a big deal. Then that's the bottom with our lightning port and speaker and microphone holes. And then of course our camera here on the back, so we can see this raised section provides a lip which is lifted up higher than the cameras themselves, so it should help to provide some protection. If it lands like that, for example, just straight down, it should provide some protection for those camera lenses as well. Something that you probably should note is if you're wanting to use this case with MagSafe accessories, this case is not strictly MagSafe compatible. I have noticed I can get it to charge using a wireless charger, but it does not stick well magnetically with any MagSafe accessories. So while you can charge it wirelessly, you're not going to be able to use any of the magnetic MagSafe accessories or chargers that are designed to hold onto the phone using the MagSafe magnetic locking system. And so while Elegoo does advertise these as being compatible with MagSafe chargers, they're only compatible so far as charging, not actually magnetically locking onto a MagSafe charger or any other MagSafe accessories. So that is really important to be aware of. To give you an idea, here's a MagSafe charger. If I put this on here, I can kind of get it to hold but it's really loose and it's just going to slide straight off. It doesn't stick well at all. For comparison, this case here is MagSafe compatible that I have on this phone, and that stays on super strong. Like, that is super locked on and not going anywhere. So very different experience between a case that is actually fully MagSafe compatible and one that is just charge compatible. So that's it. That is the Elegoo liquid silicone case in the purple color for the iPhone 12 mini. I really like the way it feels. It feels much grippier than the phone itself does. And it's nice and slimline and fairly light, so it doesn't feel like it's adding much to the phone, which is one of the reasons that you would go with the iPhone 12 mini anyway, right? Because it is small and light. I do find this one does pop out at the corners fairly easily. It's not super firmly locked in. It's certainly not going to just fall out willy-nilly. But with pressure in the right place, it does pop out pretty easy, like at all corners. It's not just one. So that is the Elegoo liquid silicone case designed for the iPhone 12 mini with premium silicone full body protection and 3 layers of shockproofing in the purple color. Hope you found this video helpful. For more information and pricing on these cases, make sure you check out the affiliate links down in the description. And of course, give this video the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this from me. Bye for now.